Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. We have this Illy Classic Coffee. We are going to make the Filter V60 with this Illy coffee. So let's go. Basically, we are going to take the top off and we have this pressurized. Let's see if we can open. Boom. And we get the coffee beans. Okay guys, so basically we are going to put 20 grams of coffee here to make V60 coffee for 400 milligrams of water, of coffee, okay? 20 grams and let's go. I have to say guys, we are using the Hario V60 and also we are using the Hario server, which is pretty cool. And we are also using this Time More scale for the coffee. So definitely a good product. These filters are natural also for the V60. So definitely we are going to get a very nice coffee. Okay guys, we are going to pour some water here, so let's go for it. $100 the beginning. Let's see how it's actually going to extract. Okay guys, serving the coffee with the Hario coffee server, and let's see how it's actually tasting. Let's wait for a second. Okay guys, so we have the coffee ready to taste. Okay, not bad to be honest, yeah, for a regular coffee, for people who like regular, just normal coffee, this is a very good coffee. But for me, honestly, I like more the specialty coffee, the specialty beans that comes from a certain altitude, and of course they are a lot more expensive. Let's try again. Actually very good, very good coffee guys. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon on the next video.